right?
3.
He's 3?
Dale Earnhardt?
Yeah.
He's 3.
Number 3?
Yeah.
32! Touch my camera through the fence.
Touch my camera through the fence. Ta-ta there. Idiot. Ta-ta there, Conald.
This one goes out to Herc. Big Herc. July 8th and 9th. Official. It's official. Worcester Bike Week.
Worcester Bike Week.
It's official. Worcester Bike Week is upon us. Biggest little bike week in America.
It's true.
That's right. Worcester Bike Week, 2 days only. Pre-party Friday, July 8th. And Eazy Times Chopper Rally, July 9th.
That's this Friday and Saturday.
This Friday, Saturday in Worcester proper. We are invading, okay? The invasion is upon us, all right? We're flooding the streets with idiots, mongoloids, freaks, and weirdos.
Awesome.
So come out, bring your bike, bring your bros, and bring your body. All right, July 8th and 9th.
Bikes, bros, and bodies.
That's right. Eazy Times Chopper Rally, baby. Let's do this. Worcester Bike Week.
Do we have a kickstand?
We could steal that one.
Or
I don't think we have a full kickstand. But boy, did I reek of garlic yesterday.
what else is new?
Yeah, it's true.
Hugs and garlic.
Hugs and garlic all day, baby.
It comes with all that
Got
nonsense.
so much stuff on it. I mean, we could just bring out the center stand with it, but I want to see it on the kickstand.
That one has the same amount of shit.
Yeah, but this one's a little easier to deal with. It's got... Let's do this one.
Where do we put it after?
We just put it on the ground.
Okay.
We lay it on its side.
Okay.
It doesn't have to live without a kickstand.
That's what's gonna happen.
I'm not gonna leave it on that. We had to assemble the bike.
Who is
Bro, what the fuck?
I knew it.
What are you doing, dude? Get out of there.
He's trying to sneak.
Let me get that.
Okay.
Let me get it, dude.
I'm gonna go get you another one.
Don't leave, Josh.
I'll go get you another one.
Stop.
What is coming out of that?
What?
Gasoline?
I was aborted once.
Yeah.
Yep. Fought right through it though. Couldn't get me.
Makes a lot of sense now.
Couldn't get me.
Yeah, it's off too.
What the fuck?
Oh. Look at this.
Look at this fucking lineup, dude. Mucking it up with a Sportster. Gotta do a quick run out of time. Got beer to drink.
You drinking beer tonight?
Nah, I'm off beer forever. But I could if anyone wanted to drink with me. Does anybody out there want to drink with me? Please? Motorcycle HD, it says.
I'll throw them in the
You
pile.
know it's real. They're a 1/2-inch socket.
Yes.
Let me grab it.
They're all out.
They're all missing.
So,
Total fucking nightmare. He hit him with a napkin, so like we couldn't find him. Mikey the Bikey!
does he watch this?
I don't think so. I don't think Mikey cares for the internet too much. All he cares about is sniz. Finding sniz and acquiring sniz.
Is he good at it?
Sure is. Maybe the best ever.
What?
Maybe the best to ever do it. Wow. Yeah. Hacking in the USA. Hacking season, baby. Hack job. Go hack job. Watch job. Botched it. Okay.
You're like NASCAR, dude.
Kind of. That's what I'm yelling in my head. NASCAR, NASCAR, NASCAR.
Dale Earnhardt, Dale Earnhardt.
Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare. Number 32. Right?
3.
He's 3?
Dale Earnhardt?
Yeah.
He's 3.
Number 3?
Yeah.
32. His brother, Kyle Earnhardt.
Kyle Earnhardt.
Kyle Earnhardt, his cousin. Number 32. Kyle Earnhardt.
His brother cousin.
His brother cousin, yeah. Everyone thought it was his brother, and then he's like, yo, that's my cousin.
I actually have the same dad as him.
We have the same father, but we're cousins, is what he would say. As the lore goes of the Earnhardt family.
There's a lot of lore.
Lore. Speculation. We should just use a bunch of crusty parts for the rest of it.
Like a mix and match.
Like a mix and match kind of thing.
Survivor, but
like
modern.
It's not like a Survivor. Gotta cut loose, foot loose. Kick off Craig Sunday shoes. 1, 2, 3.
Sure.
Do I need all of them? Probably not.
This is just a mock-up thing.
Right. We're mocking up. I need an open face 1/2 inch. You fuck. God damn it. I really should have just not done that way. We're gonna lose that kickstand spring for sure. Okay, let's clear the bench off. I think we're good. Or should I just pop these off and put it on? I'll just pop them.
How hard is it to do?
I got an impact. It's super easy. This one like wasn't even tight. What the hell? What's going on to me? That's why your mama named you Dirt instead of Nunamaker. I'll give my soul to you $100 worth, about the same, for a picture just like that, like this, but with Craig as the centerpiece. Does this person want to see your butt? Is that a chick or a dude? That's definitely a dude.
That's a dude for sure.
Well, Craig, give him what he wants. That's a quick hundo, dude. You could buy yourself a pair of shoes.
I'm worth more.
I guess you're right. Okay. Hey, Prissy. All right. I didn't know you were better than $100.
Subscribe to my OnlyFans. You'll find out that it's
Damn,
not.
hell yeah. Craig does tons of foot stuff. Weird foot stuff.
My feet, your feet, her feet.
Anyone's feet. Oh, do we have a nut that we could throw on the brake lever?
I mean, what is that? 1/2 inch?
Yeah, I think it's 1/2 inch fine.
It's 7/16. Of course.
Is it really?
Yeah. Of course.
What do you got?
I didn't find it.
Right there. Look at that disgusting. It's just so it doesn't fall off. What a lovely, lovely day, Craig. Yeah? Is it time? Well, we're gonna find out, I guess, huh? All right.
We're putting this right back up, right?
Correct. It's time. We have to see it on the ground. I don't feel like it's rubbing that way. Holy shit. This episode is brought to you by Not Dunks Throttle Addiction, baby. ThrottleAddiction.com. Click the link right here and in the description. Go to Throttle Addiction. Love them, like them, buy all their product. Tanks, fenders, sissy bars, hardtails, shirts, hats, merch, all right? Get after it, ThrottleAddiction.com.
They actually have a sale going on right now. I don't know the promo code, but they have a sale going on.
They have a sale
right
going
now.
on. Look at their Instagram. They have a promo code. Use it.
Bring it right outside, dude. It needs to see the light.
Wow. Look at how little it is.
It's the shortest thing we've ever built.
This is fucking wild.
Hip. Oh, it's already starting. That might be the drum, too.
It's definitely the drum.
Wow, dude. How do you feel about it?
Damn. I can't believe that this came out of the shop. Doesn't even make sense, really. A bike that I finally fit on.
You can go flat-footed on?
Yeah. Wow. This is like a real show bike. Kinda.
Not yet.
Yeah. Get this trash away from my bike. Holy fuck. fucking knucklehead. Dude, it sits fucking, it is like perfectly level with the ground, which is good. Get the details, you get the details, you know what I mean? Show them the details.
Through the bars.
The front end looks pretty wild, right? I love that. Like old fence post, gotta have to oil it, you know?
Is there anything you want to say?
We did it! Kinda. I mean, we have a lot more to go, but it's off the bench. So
This is the first time it's been off the bench.
this is the first time it's been off the bench ever in the history of me putting this bike together. It's fucking wild that it's off the bench. Narrowed frame, narrowed springer, narrowed wassail. The fender was already narrow enough. Bird shooters, knucklehead, tank shift, stainless molding. We did it, kinda. We made it to this point, which is insane. And I know it don't have a headlight and tail light. That's gonna come, don't worry.
Get over it,
Let
guys.
it go. Okay? Very sick. It's kind of anticlimactic when you can't ride them when you bring them outside, but like, whatever. I'm just leaning on this person's car. They know the deal though. Like they know that we just finished this thing, so
They're excited too.
they're super excited. All right, get ready.
Right there.
Ooh, that's the one I've always wanted, dude. We're giving the little riblets in there, guys. What? We got riblets. Craig's hard at work. What's up with that car with the orange shit on it?
That's orange?
Yellow, safety yellow. Or safety
You think that's orange?
It's not orange. You know what I meant.
I don't. No, they commented. Commented.
You're a commenter.
There's comments, there's likes, there's DMs, there's
I don't
tags.
get it, dude. I
There's
don't
too
understand.
many.
Your mom's nightstand is done.
Your mom's nightstand.
All these anal beads on the fucking...
Insertion.
All right.
Put it right back up. Back to where we started.
Back to the fucking... Back to the drawing board. We gotta redo some stuff.
You didn't like it.
I didn't love it. I mean, you know, you gotta love it. When you build these things, you gotta love them. They're so small.
I know. If those pipes weren't as tall, I feel like it would look crazy small.
It would look weird.
Yeah.
The worst is the worst. You got it? So, now what?
I don't know.
Tomorrow is gonna be a shit day. Guys, we did it, we completed it. We're on to bigger things. To the show, to Worcester Bike Week, to PQ. He'll be there, Paul will be there. And if you have questions, he'll answer them, okay? We're charging a minimum.
He'll talk to you the entire time.
He'll talk to you the whole time. If your bike's broken, sorry. He's off that day.
Yeah, he's not working.
He's not working that day.
I
Okay?
won't allow it.
We're partying, okay? We need one last thing, and that's to like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to Life, like and subscribe to Worcester Bike Week, like and subscribe to Easy Chopper Rally, July 9th, this weekend. Paul, hit him with it.
Just like and subscribe.
He's been practicing that shit in the mirror. He has been practicing that shit in the mirror. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Get on it. Patreon, website. We have merch. It's over there. And if we have any left over from the show, which we might not, you can buy it. But that's that. There's already bikes rolling up and down the street. You can hear.
Worcester Bike
And
Week.
we're a couple days out.